high five down feet and she's like, ah!
It does hurt.
Roll her!
No, don't roll me.
Don't roll me!
Lou, if you get hit by a car, I'm so sorry.
Go.
Here, hold this.
No, Brandon, get away from me! Get away from me! My zipper went down.
What's that? You almost got ran over. My zipper went down. Oh my god, can I stop it now? Oh my god.
Oh my god, I know him. They hurt.
My zipper went down.
LOL, haha. LOL, haha.
You want to know what's so funny? This video's going on YouTube.